Abusiafo memo obi bia kwa aba de Bajen CN page so medi e de adwoa searching. Cecilia Mafo ana oye gospel musician asisi wabeye prophetess. Egu Joyce Blessing oye gospel musician n'animase e wo video bi ma video no e ko viral. Amafo bebre e kasafa video no ho se de Cecilia Mafo ye no wanya de kra. Na adofo video ni na ne se Cecilia Mafo na oye program and no invited Joyce Blessing so onko tundum e wo program na se na Joyce gusu a okra mic a otundum no e na Cecilia Mafo dimri ka be hwim mic no efi Joyce ni sem a o start se o hyenkom na enkom hye ni mu e na Cecilia Mafo e kire se Joyce Blessing ni kun Dave Joy a o ye ne manager sisi omo eje aware no Joyce enko back enko fa ni kun anyasa ne nkwan yakopon de man wasase so no e ye short. Cecilia Mafo ni nsemu e na osanso e kase Joyce Blessing yakopon efre no e ba ministry ni mu so me na djuma enti obi yakopon afro e ba ne sen e na ware a waka bom se mana obi entitim oni ne kun Dave Joy omo ejai aware enti Cecilia sorry Joyce ensanso enko back enko fa ni kun anyasa de obehu no ompe na no e na Mafo bebre e kase de Cecilia eye no Cecilia Mafo eye no enye obu Esheda so enye inkwanhye eyanimguase no de egu Joyce papa na adofo ensem no emu enkyeremu ni na nsenya enche bia ena yete ewo internet ne so Joyce Blessing ena ne kuntawantawa bi ewo omuntem na Joyce ejai ninkawa ehye nti anytime obekọ program bia no enkofo bi san se na ne wedding ring no wehe osi imbrepeme no bibia bededi didim sa na ebeti bio said Joyce Blessing ena ne kun Dave Joy ampa so mo ejai aware na aware no emu ensensem bebre ama Joyce Blessing kwa asesa ne mba nyina edekọ omo YouTube channel bi omo ye ena adwuma no mu ejapade ne nche no ebeya kasakasa bebre ema omo dekọ despite media ko ye interview omo frefra omo bebre omo frefra omo radio stations bebre ye omo interview Joyce Blessing e kan ne de ne kun Dave Joy so ono so e kan ne dia ensem na yensem bebre na se fiasra snake akra ekotena United Showbase so ekase Joyce Blessing ni kun eba ne fie ahomache ene ne bedi enkomo efa na waresem ho na Joyce Blessing ni kun fi wa ene fiasra snake akase ene na Joyce Blessing e wa asema ebe yensem bebre na eno ena Cecilia Mafo asise oye prophetess eye program o invite Joyce so nkotonduma Joyce gusu a otonduma enkwamhye we ba ya Mafo ekasafa ho se de Cecilia Mafo ye no wanye ni ye eyanimguase na ode egu Joyce Blessing adofo ye hwe video ne kakra
Sabe ba wo betia me bia wa sa fafa wa ba ya marai tani masuri Odon mo na be de fe wa se wa bu sa dum na wa ga ni kofo ani na me ba wo de sa wo kwa ku ta wo no nya wo dia ba no hima Jesus sie bi na kofo wu kun rumiri waziri wasaita my lord man diri basa Wapiana was so full to Nadianum. But that's what you Masuna. Lady, go and touch your husband. Ramir Masaita do a fighter. With the appropriate Nami to me the way Yatuma. Nami was not the way Yatuma.
You are meeting me interacting to your marriage. Intimacy, monsieur. Just and my friend Hannah Mate. Where are madame for? You so see Hannah Martina for 4 good years. I maintain. That is what I say. Just this week, I don't know say a man down now say. When there's a move, you call me where you remember my bread. Let me brother friend so the my friend
Hello, sister.
My husband.
Relax.
Me
friend dada, why? Mami friend dada. Me won't for me oh.
And I do ben nine. Maybe free a juma ben no move fiena. My brother friend so them palana. Miss my missanity because I had almost bassa, my missanity. And Tinra and I don't mean to a section. I don't mean so I do really fear to my back and reduce the 90. But I know about it. Let me do a whole party. What kinds of baggage you move here?
I'm telling you.
I'm answering. Miss also, me no cancer. Police station now.
Okay, so we fight. You need to move to your house.
They've joined India. Hello, sister.
My husband.
Relax.
I'm afraid. Daddy,
me friend dada, mama friend dada, why? Mama friend dada. Me won't for me oh.
And I do ben nine. Maybe free a juma ben no move fiena. My brother friend so them palana. Miss my missanity because I had almost bassa, my missanity. And Tinra and I don't mean to a section. I don't mean so I do really fear to my back and reduce the 90. But I know about it. Let me do a whole party.
What kinds of baggage you move here?
I'm telling you. Why no problem? I'm answering. Miss also, me no cancer. Police station.
Okay, so we fight. You need to